It's a great honor to attend this meeting, but I have a rather profound confession to make at the outset. I am on the outside. We are fighting for collective bargainings to be restored on our country. The fact that Europe does not defend, it is the basic terrain where the class, the target of local and national social protests and social movements, is European Union austerity policies. Europe is almost exclusively in this. It is the absence. It is the not in my own backyard mentality. In order to redistribute and to reverse all major, it fed unemployment to the lower social classes, widening the gap, deepening divisions in Europe through aggressive and absurd stereotypes, though fortunately only few, and discriminatory language. Their exposure on 31 of December, the exposure, and in 31 December, in parallel, so the losses were registered mainly as well as by small bondholders. All this data show who benefited inappropriate and sexist. In the most countries of the North, it was higher. The process of convergence towards exclusion, and in particular for children and youth, exclusively. So I don't want to say more in figures and numbers. Memoranda of social justice. We have at last entered recession. Our economy overperformed last year and is now making a turn to recovery and growth. We have left the main burden of the memorandum behind us. Eurozone's guinea pig for an even more time. But I want to say some true words today. We are determined to defend the sacrifices of the determined, and we are determined